All right. Now we're doing FreeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, ES6, create an export fallback with export default. Pardon me. So in the export lesson, we learned about the syntax referred to as named export. They're just literally gaslighting us. This is not the first. This is my second time doing this, and this never happened. All right. This allowed us to make multiple functions and variables available for use in other files. Maybe that's what it was called, but they never told us. Anyway, so there's another export syntax we need to know, known as export default. Usually we will use this syntax if only one value is being exported from a file. It's also used to create a fallback value for a file or module. All right. So below are examples using export default. So we've got this export default function, and the function name is add. We've got the arguments x and y, and then it's going to return x plus y. And then right here, we've got export default function. It doesn't have the name add, and it is going to have x and y, and then return x plus y in this one. So the first is a named function, and the second is an anonymous function. Yes. All right. So since export default is used to declare a fallback value for a module or file, we can only have one value be a default export in each module or file. All right. So additionally, we cannot use export default with var, let, or const. Okay, since export default is used to declare a fallback value, we can only have one be the fallback. Okay, so anytime we use it, we can only use it once. Gotcha. All right, so the following function should be the fallback value for the module. We're going to add the necessary code to do so. All right. So we're going to add export default in front of it. And I don't think we need to take away subtract. So let's just say export default like that. And I think that's going to work. And I don't think there's any way to check it. So let's just run the test. Looks good and submit it. All right. Now we're on to import a default export. And we'll see you next time.